ePartner is the name of the portal that Wacker Neuson provides with resources for dealers. This video will explain the login process. We begin with how to log in. You can access ePartner by entering the URL shown into a web browser. The login page is country-specific, so users may need to select a country from the list. If you're in the US, you can add /US/N to the end of the URL to get directly to the US login page. You may want to bookmark or save that URL in your browser so you can access the ePartner login page easily in the future. If you don't have the login page URL, you can go to the Wacker Neuson public webpage. There is a link to ePartner at the top of the page and also in the footer. That link will take you to the ePartner login screen. For first-time users, your initial user ID is issued by Wacker Neuson. Enter your ID and click Submit. On your first login, you will see a pop-up window asking you to accept the terms and conditions. Click the checkboxes and click the Confirm Details button. You may be prompted to create a My Login account. Creating a My Login account is recommended because it allows you to use your email as your ID. Your name and company should be pre-filled for you. Enter a My Login password and click to agree to the terms and conditions and click Submit. After submitting your My Login registration, you will receive an email confirming that the account has been created and asking you to verify your account. Click the Activate My Login Profile link in the email to verify your account. You should be able to use your My Login credentials to access ePartner. For help with your ePartner login ID or password, you can email sales.us@wackerneuson.com.